Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the WAG app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and sign out of the WAG app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the WAG app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, click on Settings. Then on this page here, click on Sign Out. Once you sign out, that should sign you out of the WAG app. Additionally, if you click on Sign Out Everywhere, that is going to sign you out of all the places in which you're logged on to the WAG app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.